How to check your Qatar Airways ticket confirmation. To check your Qatar Airways ticket confirmation, follow these steps. Firstly, go to the official website of Qatar Airways. Then log in or sign up to your account. After that, you will see a section called Manage Booking on top menu. Here you will see all your bookings. Your booking reference will be 6-character code like AB12CD, or your e-ticket number starts with 157 plus last name as on the ticket. To retrieve your booking, click on Retrieve Booking. You can also check your email for confirmation with subject like your booking is confirmed or e-ticket receipt. Your email will include your ticket number and PNR booking reference. If you are booked through a travel agency or third-party website, contact them directly or check your email from them. And if you have booked through Qatar Airways mobile app, then log in and go to My Trips. So that is all for today. Thank you.